Hello, friends. Welcome to Kalsi Estate. My name is Kalsi. I'm a father of a wonderful son, husband of a caring woman. I'm into industry from last 25 years, and I take my job as serving rather than selling. And I love giving plenty of free advice in real estate. तो आज का टॉपिक है दोस्तों AIM. Passcode is AIM, and the developer is Rockford at Kurla. So let's begin with the show. So friends, Rockford developer is developing one more project which is at Kurla, and the building passcode is AIM. So this is at Kurla at Nehru Nagar. If you see the elevation over here, this is how the elevation of the building is. And this building is two wings buildings are there, A and B wing building is there. And this is ground plus 15-story tower. So in ground plus 15-story tower, there are two wings are there in this, A and B wings. Now A wing is gone for all the peoples who were staying in the old building. This is redevelopment project. So A wing is gone for those people, and the B wing is the actual sale building. So in B wing, floor plans are still not out because it's a newly launched project. But in one wing, there could be around 4 to 6 flats could be there in each floor. तो सेल के लिए तो एक ही विंग है जो कि B wing है. और this project is at Kurla East. So Rockford developer is in consultant with the partnership with Group Satellite. Group Satellite is the partner consultant for this project AIM passcode. And अगर आप कुर्ला की हिस्ट्री की अगर आप बात करेंगे तो कुर्ला इज सेंट्रली लोकेटेड इन मुंबई एरिया. और द बिगेस्ट पॉइंट इज दैट कुर्ला टर्मिनस जो है वहाँ से काफ़ी ट्रेन्स चलती है बाहर के लिए. और अदरवाइज भी कुर्ला से अगर आपको साउथ मुंबई जाना है या आपको आउट ऑफ मुंबई थाना की तरफ जाना है या वेस्टर्न या सेंट्रल या कोई भी तरफ आपको ट्रैवल करना है तो कुर्ला इज वेरी राइटली लोकेटेड एरिया इन सेंटर ऑफ मुंबई. In fact, Kurla is one of the most dynamic area of Mumbai, and the whole infrastructure which is development is happening in Kurla is, of course, it's in city. Kurla is in city in Mumbai, but the whole infrastructure still it is developing so rapidly. Whole Mumbai's infrastructure is developing very rapidly. So same thing goes with the Kurla also, and this building, when you see the building design, it's very beautiful and elegant design is there of the building, and you see the square type building has been given, and there are two wings are there. And in this because the plot area is 0.5 acre plot area is there, so in parking developer has given the puzzle parking will be there. So you have to only park the car inside, press the button, and automatically where the parking space is there, the car will get parked. There are lots of, and you see over here, there are lots of amenities which are given on the rooftop. So you have rooftop amenities as well as a few amenities are there on the ground floor. So when you see in the location map over here, this is Western Express Highway, and when you come from this Mumbai University from Santa Cruz Chembur Link Road, and when you come over here, this place over here, this is Eastern Express Highway, and this is Kurla Railway Station. तो अगर कुर्ला रेलवे स्टेशन से अगर बाहर आते हैं तो यहाँ पर ये प्लॉट लोकेटेड है. पासकोड AIM जो है वो यहाँ पर ये प्लॉट लोकेटेड है. और इसके नज़दीक के विसिनिटी में आप देखोगे तो आर्यन हॉस्पिटल है और KJ Somaiya हॉस्पिटल है. Then this is BKC connector is there which connects this road. Then Kedarnath Vidya Prasarini's English High School, which is hardly 1 minute from here. And commercial hubs like Bandra Kurla complex is hardly 15 minutes from here. And again, the railway station is 15 minutes. And East Point Mall is 12 minutes. So there is one more railway station over here, which is Lokmanya Tilak Terminus. From यहाँ से trains out of मुंबई के लिए चलती है. तो मुंबई में 2-3 लोकेशन है जहाँ पर, जैसे कुर्ला टर्मिनस हो गया, वीटी हो गया, बॉम्बे सेंट्रल हो गया. तो कुर्ला टर्मिनस भी एक टर्मिनस है जहाँ पे ट्रेन आउट ऑफ मुंबई के लिए चलती है. तो इस प्रोजेक्ट से ये जो कुर्ला टर्मिनस है ये 7 मिनट्स के डिस्टेंस पर है. देन अदर प्लस पॉइंट्स आर लाइक चेंबूर स्टेशन इज 12 मिनट्स, देन फिनिक्स मार्केट सिटी इज 12 मिनट्स, बीकेसी करेक्टर इज 12 मिनट्स, बांद्रा कुर्ला कॉम्प्लेक्स इज 15 मिनट्स, Mumbai University is 15 minutes, and International Airport is 25 minutes from this complex, which is AIM Passport and developed by Rockford. So this is how the elevation of the building is, friends. This is a very beautifully designed elevation, and this is how the building will look after the building is completed. And there are few retail counters given on the ground floor over here. तो ज़रूरत की कुछ चीज़ें आपको नीचे भी मिल जाएगी. एज इट इज़ कुर्ला इज़ वेरी सेंट्रली लोकेटेड इन मुंबई. आसपास के सराउंडिंग में काफ़ी चीज़ अवेलेबल है. इट्स प्रॉपरली लोकेटेड इन सेंटर ऑफ मुंबई. तो आपको कहीं बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस पे जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. पर अदरवाइज भी कुछ गैलरीज, रिटेल गैलरीज नीचे दिया हुआ है, रिटेल काउंटर्स नीचे दिया हुआ है. तो यहाँ पर आपको कुछ ज़रूरत की चीज़ें आपको यहाँ पर नीचे मिल जाएगी. और यहाँ पर फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे भी इन्होंने कमर्शियल प्लेस दिया हुआ है जहाँ पर शायद बैंक्स या कोई जिम या फिटनेस सेंटर्स वगैरह आ सकता है. तो यहाँ पर जो हाफ द पोर्शन है, मेजर ऑफ द पोर्शन, 75% पोर्शन हैज बीन गिवन फॉर कमर्शियल स्पेस हैज बीन गिवन ओवर हियर. Again, what I can make out from here is that French cut windows has been provided. So definitely good light, bright light will be there in the flat, and ventilation also will be good for every flats because the French cut windows has been provided, and even the elevation of the building looks very good. So friend, this is the floor plan of the building. When you see over here, half the building A-wing has been given for the people who are staying in the redevelopment. So this building is redevelopment building. So half the portion, one side of the building has been given to them, and one portion is for sale portion. So अगर यहाँ पर आप देखोगे तो जहाँ पर मैं आप देख रहा हूँ कि यहाँ पर 1, 2, 3 और 4 फ्लैट्स दिए हुए हैं. 4 फ्लैट्स दिए हुए हैं, और ये पैसेज है जहाँ पर 2 लिफ्ट है, और एक बिल्डिंग में 2 स्टेयरकेस है. अगर आप एक बिल्डिंग में आप देखोगे ए और बी विंग में, तो 2 स्टेयरकेस है और 2 लिफ्ट दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर. सो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज आइसोमेट्रिक व्यू ऑफ 1 BHK अपार्टमेंट, and this is again isometric view of 2 BHK apartment. So in 1 BHK, you see this is the entry, and this is hall with dining space over here, living space over here, and this is the passage. This side is kitchen with both the side platform, and this is one washroom over here, and this washroom is attached to this bedroom over here. So this is isometric view of 1 BHK, and this is isometric of 2 BHK. So again, when you enter from this door over here, so there is a dining space, living space, and kitchen, then one washroom over here, and one bedroom over here, and second bedroom is attached. Second bedroom is having a passage entry from here, and this is attached over here. So friend, this is the image of the sample flat. When you see over here, this is a living and dining space, very beautifully designed. And here you see the master bed, and again there's a kitchen, common bedroom, and washrooms. So of course, all the fittings and sanitary fittings and CP fittings and taps and electrics and windows and all will be branded fittings. What developer will be providing in this flat. It will be, or branded fittings will be there. There is a rooftop amenities, and there is a gymnasium given over here, this image for gymnasium, and there's a kids play area also. And of course, when the kids play area is there's a high walls are given over here, so children can't see directly down over here. These are very high walls, around more than at least 10 feet. And in amenities, there's an open air theater, there's a party lounge, a senior citizen area, reflexology park, stargazing deck, yoga, and meditation zone. So here, friends, one more advantage you have over here in this locality, in this complex, that Kurla is still the developer what the quoting price is 18,500, and in Daisar and Malad and Thana and Vashi, if you see the prices are uh, very high, and these are out of the city. Like the moment you cross Thana, then Vashi is out of Mumbai, and even Daisar is almost after the toll naka of Mumbai, and Malad is also offside of Mumbai area. So Kurla is centrally located, and even the price is very reasonable right now. So even if you are buying in this price, so in another 3 years, once the building is ready, you will definitely get appreciation on this flat, on this project, and you can take it as an investment also, or you can go as an end user also. But definitely what price you are getting right now, it's a very reasonable price, and definitely you should go for the booking. So as I told you, the project advisor for this AIM passcode is Group Satellite, and Rockford Group is from last 1983 in this construction business, in real estate business, and they have built many residential and commercial projects in Mumbai, such as which are in Chembur, in Kurla, in Andheri, in Goregaon, Kandivali, and Borivali. So definitely Rockford Group will be delivering very high-end technology will be used in this building, and of course excellence and performance and the service, after sales service, everything will be good in this complex. So friend, this is again the image of the rooftop amenities, and you see the surrounding areas over here. This is very densely populated area over here. So you can imagine that you are buying a flat in proper locality, in proper city, and it is in center of Mumbai. And this is again the image of the rooftop amenities. Then you see over here, as I told you earlier, that Kedarnath Vidya Parsarinini English High School is 1 minute, Aryan Hospital is 2 minutes, East Point Mall is 2 minutes, Kurla Station is 5 minutes, Lokmanya Tilak Terminus is 7 minutes, Santa Cruz Chembur Link Road is 10 minutes, Eastern Express Highway is 10 minutes, KJ Somaya is 12 minutes, Chembur Station is 12 minutes, Phoenix Market City is 12 minutes, BKC Connected is 12 minutes, Bandra Kurla Complex is 15 minutes, Mumbai University is 15 minutes, and International Airport is 25 minutes. So here, this is the EOI for which the developer is taking as a booking amount. So when you give a confirm amount, there are two amounts are there: regular EOI and super EOI. So one is regular EOI, expression of interest amount, which we say a tentative booking, you can say, where you give 54,000 and you go at the site and you see the plan. For any case, if your loan is not happening, for any case you don't pass the flat, or you don't pass the locality or the carpet area or anything, for any reason, if you don't pass, then your 54,000 is refundable. And if you're going with the confirmed booking of 54,000, then you are getting these benefits where you get a modular kitchen, then AC for 2 or 3 rooms, then IKEA furniture voucher will be there, and iPhone 12 Pro Max will be there, and international trip for family will be given. Or you can take a discount of 2,16,000 straight away. If you don't want all these vouchers or these benefits, straight away you can take a discount of 2,16,000 if you are going confirm booking with 54,000. So once you are going with confirm booking, so you get all these benefits over here. So 1 BHK 447 is 83 lakhs and 2 BHK 660 is 1.22 CR. Of course, stamp duty, registration, GST, society development charges, and all the other charges will be separate on this. And possession for this is 3 years from now onwards. So friend, this was all about Rockford Group, and AIM is the passcode for this project. For booking, you can call me on my number 7400138561. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to this channel, because sharing is caring. And see you again with one more project, one more developer very soon. Thank you for watching this show. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.